Hi there. I'm, Fibber Fred. At least that's what everyone's been calling me lately. You see, I made a few mistakes, told a few fibs, and now nobody believes a word I say. I tried everything to convince them I was telling the truth now. I even brought a lie detector to work. Then it hit me. Actions speak louder than words. So I started showing up early to work, keeping my promises, and owning up to my mistakes. It wasn't easy, and it didn't happen overnight. But slowly, things began to change. I learned that regaining trust takes time, consistency, and a whole lot of patience. Now, when I say something, people believe me. And you know what? It feels pretty great to be trustworthy, Fred.